Welcome to My Yard is My Garage. I'm Bishop. Yeah, my yard is my garage. Currently, my truck is my truck. I'm driving down today to get the head for our Mini. It is rebuilt, and that is a major step forward and a major expense too as well. So come along with me. Let's go pick this up. We'll see where it was rebuilt, and we'll go ahead and maybe finally get some additional steps forward on our build. All right. Fix. Restore? No. Rebuild. Yeah. Time to pick up my head. In just a couple of minutes, we'll look at a couple of the things that they do here. If you've ever seen that show, How It's Made, I think it would be pretty cool to maybe see something grinding here since I'm here. Ooh, sparkly. Whoa, that is very cool. So it's like a big dishwasher.
Adore it.
Such an art form. Is it going to do the thing now?
Yep. All crap.
Sweet. Well, hey, we've spent some time here. They've been very generous in showing me a few things, and so this has just been a wonderful time. Want to thank Heads Up down here in Auburn. I'll make sure I'll put the contact info down below if you'd like to take your aluminum, not too old machines here, right? All right, thanks. All right, well, didn't cut my hands. We have it, and it is here. Yeah, valve is a little light. All fixed now. Let's go ahead and get this home and we'll take a look at it. Yeah, needed a hat. I'm down here at Sound Truck Repair. Getting a hat for the channel. I got a fat head. All right, let's get back home. This looks amazing. This looks, wow. Take a closer look. All right, well, yeah, a little bit of material missing on that one, wouldn't you say? So, there we have our head sitting on our 69 Charger project. Thanks for coming along on this. Fixing of our Mini Cooper, R57S Cooper. That's an N14B16A Motor. 305,000 miles. Give up the ghost. We're rebuilding it, and that beautiful head now done by Heads Up down in Auburn. So if you're in the Washington area, Seattle, go down there. Such a great group. All hands-on professionals. Just really good quality work. Go down there and see them. While you're down there, you could drop by South Sound Truck and Trailer Repair. I've been talking with them for a long time, kind of over Facebook, just throwing compliments back and forth, and so I want to shout out to them. Grabbed a nice hat since I was missing a good hat, and well, and it doesn't hurt that it's Seahawks color. That's coming up here pretty soon. So thanks again for coming by. My yard is my garage. I'm Bishop. Yeah, my yard is my garage, and that's where I've got all of these fun car projects. Thanks for coming along. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit subscribe. Hit the bell if you want to see when I toss out new content. And I thank you for throwing down some comments. Thanks again, and well, next one we'll be putting this together. Let's get it on to a new engine stand. Get the transmission taken off, clutch done. Yeah, thousands of other steps. Yeah. Okay, thanks.